In our latest release, we've added a helpful new feature, Student View. Student View allows faculty members to see a course the same way a student would. As an example, let's say a student reports that they can't access a quiz assignment for this Literature 301 course, the quiz for Chapter 4 of the textbook specifically. On the right, click the 3 stacked dots and select View Course as Student. This creates a test student, and now we're only seeing what a student would see. So from this side of things, we can tell that the quiz in question is published and visible to students. But if we click through to the assignment page, we can't take the quiz. In the bottom right of the page, click Exit to return to the faculty view. Under Info, we can see that while the quiz is published, it's not available to students yet. We'll correct that real quick, and then switch back to Student View, and make sure we can click through to take the quiz. Looks good. A couple of other things to note. You can change from an enrolled student to an auditor, which further adjusts what you can see. Clicking Clear Progress will remove lesson progress, assignment submissions, tests, course evaluations, attendance, and grades from the test student. Finally, clicking Exit and Remove Student will return you to the faculty view and remove the test student from the roster. It will also clear any progress the test student made. For help or for more information about using Populi, click the Help link in the top right or visit support.populiweb.com to view our knowledge base.